Welcome back. We have finished setting up our course. Now it's time to go into our course and see what it looks like. So when we enter our course, we see that it's more or less kind of boring. So we need to spice things up a bit. And one way we can do this is by adding a home page. So to add a home page that is going to welcome our students, you would go to Pages. And then because we have not created any page as yet, it gives us two places where we can create a page. You can either click add one or the plus page. So click on it. Now the first thing you need to do is give a name for your page. So I'm going to name my page welcome because that's what I basically want to do with this particular homepage that I'm creating, welcoming the students. So I've typed something up already. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. You can easily type in here if you so choose, but I prefer to have things done already and just simply copy and paste into Canvas. I want to make this a little bigger. So if you notice, you have your formatting tools right here at the top. You can add video, you can add images, hyperlinks, remove hyperlinks, you can add tables, bold stuff, and so forth all throughout. So it really gives you a range of different formatting types to use from. Now, with my page, basically here I'm welcoming the students and I want to add the school logo. So what I'll do, I'll add it right here at the top. I'd click on embed image. You could easily put in the URL, or in this case, I'm going to get a file from my computer. So I will click on course files. I will go to upload file, and then upload the SHC logo. Right, then I simply click on it once it's uploaded, and I click update. I could fix the dimensions here, but I rather fix it on the screen. So it's a bit large, so click on it, then I basically make it to the size that I so choose. That's about right. Also, what I like to do is to add a little animation to the page. So I'm going to add a start button, and you could easily use a GIF, and there are various ways you can do this. You can download this to your computer, and then after you download it, you embed it the same way I just showed you. Or in this case here, I could just copy the image. I go to the page, I right click, I just press Ctrl V, paste it in, and there it is. Now also, instead of just having this button here doing nothing, I'm going to create a hyperlink with it. So I select it. First I need to get the link I need. So the link I'm going to use is the modules link. So I right click on it, then I click copy link address. Then I select the icon I want to use as a hyperlink. Then I click on link to URL. And then I insert the URL. And that's about it. And I could always go and make this larger or smaller, depends. Same thing like what I did with this particular icon here. Now you want to make sure that only teachers can edit this page. You don't want to give students editing capabilities to your page. So leave it as only teachers. And then you are going to click on save. We have not published it as yet, but we want to see more or less what it looks like. Okay, so this is our page. We can edit this to make this a bit smaller, but the hyperlink we just use, when we click on start, it takes us to where all our modules would be. So that is where majority of our course content is going to be. So we just go back to pages, and this is our welcome page. Now we want to make this our home page. So what we have to do is click publish, and then we're going to click here and then select use as front page. Now when we click on home, it still takes us to the modules because we have not selected our home pages yet. So we have to choose a home page, and then we select pages front page, and then save. Now whenever anybody enters the course, this is the first thing they are going to see. So if we click on the dashboard to go back to where all our courses are, as soon as you enter the course, it brings us to this page. And that's all you need to do to create your home page.